It's 11:58, moments before your important essay is due, and you've hit the spinning wheel of death.
Do you wait for the page to load or force quit? If only your computer could tell you when it's going to run forever. Cue the halting problem,
which more specifically asks whether there exists a computer program that can tell you whether other computer programs will terminate or run forever. Ooh, if I solve the halting problem, am I the Einstein of our generation?
No, the key here is that in 1936,
Alan Turing, a famous mathematician, proved that the halting problem is unsolvable. Let's take a look at why.
To prove this powerful computer program does not exist, let's first imagine an alternative universe in which it does and see if it makes sense.
Halt, who is a benevolent angel, who also happens to be a computer program, can calculate if other programs halt and always answers you truthfully. Confused, another program, is devilish and only does the opposite of what Halt says. When Halt says the program halts, Confused decides to run forever. When Halt says the program runs forever, Confused halts. So here's where this dream world breaks down. Let's say we ask Halt about Confused. When Halt says yes, Confused will halt, then Confused does the opposite and runs forever. But if Halt says no, Confused runs forever, then Confused does the opposite again and halts. No matter what, we have a paradox. Halt supposedly says true statements, yet Halt is wrong about Confused every time. Since we've seen that the universe in which this powerful program exists has some pretty big flaws, we sadly return to our world, where we officially proved that the halting problem is unsolvable.
But what does this mean for you?
Yes, turn in essays before 11:59, but also know that there are limits to what our algorithms can physically compute. Maybe AI isn't ready to take over the human world. Yet.